In my own observation, in this new life situation, ang mundo'y nagpolusyon sa dami ng population. In this new generation, ang tao'y nagka-addition. Kung minsa'y multiplication, di na magkasya sa subdivision. That's why we have discussion to make a good resolution. Give the people instruction to maintain sanitation. That is the good protection in this beautiful nation. All of us will take action. Cleanliness beautification. So we have an election to elect our delegation, to present our relation, to attend every session. That is their obligation, to promulgate the Constitution. Take good care of your possession, so that no graft and corruption. Don't make a violation in traffic rules regulation. Drive your car good condition, no reckless and obstruction, so that no collision in dangerous intersection. Avoid accidentation pagkat mahirap hospitalization. If you have some occasion, plant a green revolution. It is good for nutrition in our health communication. Maintain your jurisdiction, a complete vegetation. Barangay organization, I thank you, congratulations. In this world of evaluation, everything has taxation. High price, no salvation, no discount, no deduction. Salaries, no dimension for the family consumption. Semester nag-recreation.